What's up, everybody?
What's up? It's the boy Shabon the Chuchiha.
And it's me, Gamer Harold, and I'm not feeling very well. Deal with it. Sharif, Harold, Eric, who always go quiet for some reason in the beginning of the video.
He pulling a Deshaun.
They don't even know who that is.
Oh, that's the one that gave you that fry. That was hilarious.
But anyway, we're back with another taste review video.
Vicious!
That was nice, that was nice. Except they can't see me
on that camera. But vicious! I'm vicious, man. On Satan, I'm vicious. But yeah, we got the Skittles, creamy curd.
It's yogurt inside, basically.
No, boy. It's a Skittle inside yogurt.
They froze the yogurt?
No. Do y'all not see the picture?
Yeah, but
it looks like it's this yogurt inside the Skittle.
No, it's the Skittle inside yogurt.
Oh, it just say yogurt coating. So it's just it's a coat of yogurt.
Skittles dip.
Coating, bitch, just makes the yogurt all over it.
All this yelling, I'm sensitive
sorry.
and I'm light skinned. Thank you.
And I curse. I apologize, y'all.
Fuck this nigga. Let's get back to the dip.
No, because you two got that kid.
Chill, Naker. But yeah. I know what's going on.
But we don't get that couple
We about
stuff
to try
on.
this jump.
We don't even got couple on.
Alright, okay.
We about to try this jump. Hey, I'm vicious. I'm gonna try it again.
Now when it's over.
Yeah. Y'all ready to try it? I don't even know which one is which. I want to see that jump.
Make sure you get it all inside the camera, my camera too, baby.
Huh?
Show his camera too.
He could have left out the last part. Yeah, that jump look vicious. What the fuck?
Cause it can't see me.
Oh, I thought you was going back in time, boy. But this jump crazy. Why you putting your... You could just...
Fine.
Oh, gosh, your hand is nasty.
My hands are clean. I will be taking the green and yellow.
I don't know which one I even have, but let's do this.
Yeah,
It's good.
I want to eat this.
I'll definitely take the rest if you don't want them.
I will not go my way about this. I will not go my way about this.
It's alright. It ain't all that. It's alright. It's alright.
They
Balance it on my camera and his camera. But it's alright. It's alright. It's not all that. I thought, you know. Maybe the strawberry with yogurt. I don't know which one is strawberry.
I don't know which one I had.
I think you should just try all the flavors. Try all 7 flavors. Oh, yeah.
Well, let's see. I had the strawberry and I had the green apple. Let's find on orange.
I don't think you're gonna find orange. Just like
found it.
Taste the rainbow.
I got lemon this time.
You don't know what you got.
I got lemon this time, baby.
But it's alright. I give it a 5 out of 10. It's not all that. And you also get this from Walmart and Target. And I can give y'all ratings.
4. Rather 5, 10.
6.
4, 5, and 6.
Oh, I didn't say 5. You know, I already gave you your ranking.
No, I said 4, 5, and 6.
I just said, you might as well say 5 now. You gave me his ranking.
But they're not all that. I'm gonna just send this back where it came from and get a refund.
Send them my way.
Okay, Fatty Rock. But
She's still in that camera.
Your boy look good.
I forgot what I was about to say.
Your boy look good. Damn, baby, I look good. That junk came out like that.
We're focused. They're focusing on the snacks, not you.
I am a snack, baby.
An expired one.
Wow.
Anyways, yeah, catch us next time. You already know what's going
The
on.
social media.
Just pretend he's
right.
not even here. I don't know why he's doing the Minato pose.
What?
But yeah.
That's Naruto 5 for those who just got started. Naruto.
I'm
That's
going
fine.
out when he.
Anyways.
Spoiler.
What, Pain?
No, I said it's
Oh.
Naruto 5, but what if somebody just started watching Naruto?
Oh.
Naruto, how?
Let's not
This is not anime.
Yeah, I was
This is
going to say,
food.
let's
This is
not,
food.
let's not
But
take
yeah.
it further than that.
Even though I don't watch it like that. I said in the last video.
You watch
but
it with the video
you know
games,
what's going on. You already know what's going on. But yeah, chase that Skittles, yogurt, dip, whatever.
Yogurt coating.
Yeah.
And tell us which one you like the most when you
We
buy
don't
it.
know which one we
Oh
have.
my goodness. Let me say let me say it again. Let us know in the comment section below which one you like the most when you try it. Nilko.
I don't know what's wrong with this guy. Like, what part does he not understand? That you have to say Naker. But anyways, let us know. Lechuga.
Yeah.
No.
Now you ready to press the stop button though.
Yeah, I gotta drop all social medias. I be forgetting, Dang.
It will be in the description below.
Yeah. We'll be back.
That's what my father said.
See you next time on the Shabon Show.
Don't touch my